Alright, so I've never done a video before. So here we've got, this is a NUC 6, this is an i5. I don't know which one you've got. I'm guessing it's similar construction. Got this plastic lid, power button, and then underneath we've got the 4 feet. So this is the way I do it. You probably could get the top off with a splodger. Let's give it a shot, shall we? I've taken this machine apart before, so I know how to get into it from underneath. But let's try splodging it open. It's only a piece of plastic, what can go wrong? It's famous last words, eh? It's got holes to fit a splodger in, so it seems to be designed for it. Let's see what that will give us. I'm just having a quick peek in the side. Okay, seems to be coming off quite nicely. Okay, but there's still the frame there, so getting the plastic off on its own is actually not very useful. So that's the CPU heatsink is underneath that, so I'm just going to put the top back on. No harm, no foul. Just check what I'm doing carefully. Don't particularly want to damage it, although it's just plastic. So, okay, that's the top back on. Alright, so that was a failed attempt. So this is what I would do. Pretty simple. I'm sure you've already done this because you've got the machine apart. Unscrew the feet. You know how to do that, obviously. You really have to unscrew these guys a lot to make sure they come out. But again, you've already done that, so I'm just teaching Granny how to suck eggs. Right, so let's see let's pull that out. Okay, remembering we've got cables in here, find out which side they're on. They're on that side. Okay. All right, so you know, yours probably looks something very similar to this. This does have 2 mounting screws, one here by the memory socket and one underneath the NVMe SSD. So let's pop that out first. Just lift that out, get it out of the way. Just for kicks and giggles, let's disconnect the SSD. You may or may not have one of these. I don't have your picture handy right now. Just get that out of the way. Alright, so again, I don't know if you can really see these, but they're black on this board. There's one there and one down there. So I'm just going to pop those out. No, not down there, sorry. There's one there. Yeah, and one there, because they're black. They're really difficult to see. So a magnetic screwdriver comes in really handy. Okay, I don't know why they did black screws. Everything else is silver. You can get to that other one without removing anything. It's not covered by anything. So that's it, 2 black screws, and this thing should just pop out. He says that's all that was screwed in, isn't it? So let's just turn it upside down, give it a bit of a shake, and there we go, and it just pops out. And so underneath you've got heatsink, fan, and battery. So it's pretty much as simple as that. Just disconnect the battery, pull it off, get a new one. It's kind of just stuck down a little bit with a bit of sticky pad. I'm going to put this back because this battery, there's nothing wrong with it. But that's all you need to do. The link on Amazon, it appeared to still work this morning. I think it was $9.99 for a new battery. Just double check. You've got a different model, so make sure it will still work. And then obviously reassembly is the reverse. Now, one thing, I have had this box apart before, and I've still got the Wi-Fi wires in here that disconnected a long time ago. I don't use Wi-Fi in this box, so I don't care. If you do care, when you're taking the motherboard out, obviously be careful, because they will come off, and I can't actually remember where they went on. Like I said, I always use Ethernet on this machine, so the lack of Wi-Fi, I really don't care. And then putting it back together, obviously it's just a reverse. So ports on this end, just kind of pop it in, and it should just fall into place. Bit of a shove, there we go, and all the ports are correct, and jobs are good, and so it would just be a case of putting the screws back in. They're near the mounting points, but not on them, so one there, and one over there. I hope this helps. If not, feel free to shout. I'm not sure what else I can do, but super happy to help. All right, bye.